Another day training. I've just come down to check everything, and it seems that it's been windy in the night and one of my jumps is down. This happens a lot here because there's little shelter on this stretch of ground. However, I'm training hoopers today and they blow down as well, the hoops. So, as it happens, today they're still up. Normally they've fallen like skittles, but last night, in my wisdom, I came out here with some odd socks and then filled them with rubber, tied 2 socks together and wrapped them round the single supports on each hoop. It seems to have done the job. Marvellous. I can enjoy Hooper's lesson today now because I do find this irritating when they blow down sometimes, but this seems to have done the job.